Another record today, and it's one Governor Mike Dewine would have preferred that we had not broken. We're talking about the 4,229 new COVID-19 cases added over the last day. That's the largest single-day rise in cases since the pandemic started. Our Jesse Schultz talked to the governor about what this means for Ohioans. Hey, Jesse.
Yeah, Dewine says the bottom line is no matter if your candidate wins or loses tonight, tomorrow will still come. And our number one enemy should not be each other, but rather the coronavirus.
And it's going to take every one of us working together, Democrat, Republican, Independent, to beat back this virus, to get us through till we get into the spring, into the summer, when we get the vaccine.
Governor Dewine's message is clear. We have to control the spread of COVID-19.
And the virus continues to fool us. We knew these numbers were likely to go up, but had no idea they were going to go up, frankly, this fast. And I think it's time for all of us to kind of reassess what we're doing in our own lives.
He says the jump in cases is from people letting their guard down, casual get-togethers with friends and family, weddings and funerals.
What's at stake is whether our kids are going to be able to go to school in person. What's at stake is the safety of our grandparents in nursing homes. What's at stake is whether our hospitals are going to be overrun with people.
I asked the governor if he believes early in-person voting turnout had anything to do with the spike. He said no, not if people took precautions.
I think there's a lot of things that we can do safely as long as we've got a mask on.
He says Ohioans getting the virus now are older, over 30 years old, compared to summer months, and that's worrisome.
Numbers to watch are hospitalization. We now have double the number of people in the hospital that we had 4 weeks ago. So if that continues, that's a pretty good indicator of deaths that will occur.
Saying he'll be watching the election results, but hopes for a brighter future tomorrow.
This virus just doesn't care whether you voted for Joe Biden or whether you voted for Donald Trump. It's coming after all of us. And we need to put the politics aside and get serious with this.
Now I asked Governor Dewine if he would consider shutting down businesses and schools again if cases continue to rise. He said those are the places that are following protocol and not where we are seeing the spread. Reporting live in Cleveland tonight, Jesse Schultz, News 5.